So hi and welcome everybody to this week's video about cell formatting. In this video I will show you the most common things you can do in the cell formatting menu. I hope you can learn something new from this video, so please enjoy. Well, this video is about cell formatting, and cell formatting is basically all about the characteristics and properties of a cell. Most options you can choose in the cell formatting menu are also available on the ribbon. We'll come back to that later. And like I explained in one of my earlier videos, there's a short key to the formatting menu, and that is the Ctrl+1 key. Well, first let's take a look to the cell formatting menu. I can press my Ctrl+1 key and I get my Format Cells menu. I see some tabs here, and we go by all the tabs, and I will explain what you can do on these tabs. Well, like you see, the first tab is the number. The number tab basically defines what type of data is in a cell. You can see all different types of data here, the general, some currency types, a date and a time, a percentage, a text or special. You can select some special types, and a custom you can design your own data type. Well, I have here a cell with 84 in it, and like you see, it is in euros, so it's a currency. And I can select this cell and press Ctrl+1, and I can say this is, for example, a percentage. So it makes it 8,400%. And I can also select a date. It makes it the 24th of March in 1900. So these are all different types of data which I can select for which data is in my cell. So the next tab on the formatting menu is the alignment. The alignment basically determines how data is shown in your cell. Well, when I make this one a little bigger, I can select the cell, I can press Ctrl+1, and you see on the alignment tab I can select the horizontal alignment, so it can be on the left side, the right side, fill the whole cell, and some other options. The vertical alignment, and top, bottom, or center. And I can also change the orientation, so I can set it to 45 degrees. And you see the text changes to 45 degrees. I can also get this back to 0 degrees. I can select the left bottom or left top. You see it's going to the left and to the top. And like I already said, you see also an alignment section on your ribbon, on your home tab. So here are also some options to go to the top, middle or bottom, left, middle or right. And the rotation of the text can also be set here. So that are all options which are also on the ribbon. So the next one is the font tab. The font tab you also find on the ribbon here. You can select your cell, press Ctrl+1, and on the font tab you can change the type, the font style, so it can be bold or italic, underlined. You can change the size of the text, the color of the text, type of underline, double, single. And you can also select some other options which are not on the ribbon, like a strike through. So you see a line right through your text, like the sample, the preview here. I can show it to you. And you can also select superscript or subscript. So when you have cubic meters, you can select your superscript for that. The next tab is the border tab. In your ribbon, you can select some basic borders in this menu, but when you go to your cell formatting menu, you can select the border tab and you can choose a style and a color. And I can, for example, select a thick line in orange, and I can easily click outline so all the outer lines are selected, but I can also click here on the lines to show them or hide them. So now you see also only the bottom line and the right line are orange. I can also do something else. I can select multiple cells, press Ctrl 1, and I can again select a thick border in orange for the outline, and for example a thin border in blue for the inside lines. Well, I'll show you what happens now. You see there's a thick orange outline with small blue lines in the inside. Well, the fill menu is the next tab on your cell formatting menu. I can show you here the fill tab. I can select a color for a background in my cell. I can also select a pattern right here and a pattern style. So you can see the background will be light orange with a pattern. And I can also choose the fill effects with a shading style and 2 different colors, for example, orange to blue. Okay, and you see the background will change. So the last tab on my cell formatting menu is the protection tab. I can select the cell, press Ctrl 1, go to the tab protection, and you see there are 2 checkboxes here, one for locked and one for hidden. Standard settings for Excel are the locked is checked and hidden is unchecked. Locked means the protection is on the cell, so you cannot change it, or when you select some other options when protecting your sheet, it's applied to this cell. And hidden means when you have a function or a formula in your cell and your sheet is protected, users cannot see your function in your formula bar. Well, I can show you in a fast way. Now I only have checked the box before locked. I can click OK. I can go to the review tab on my ribbon. I can say protect this sheet, and I'm not going to give a password. Just click OK. When I select this cell and I want to change it, it's giving a warning. It's protected. You cannot change this cell. But when I look at my formula bar, I see the function, the formula 4 times 8, which results in 32. When I unprotect my sheet, select this cell and press Ctrl 1, go to the protection tab and click hidden. Just say OK. Again, protect your sheet. No password required. Just click OK. Now when I select my cell, you see my formula bar is empty. So my function is not visible for other users. So that's the difference between the locked and the hidden box. So thanks for watching this week's video about cell formatting. I hope you know exactly how to format your cells after watching this video, and if you liked the video, please consider subscribing to my channel and to give this video a thumbs up.